Welcome to the Pennsylvania Association of Notaries Employee Spotlight. These videos showcase our employees for all their hard work and give our members a glimpse into who makes PAN so great. Our Employee Spotlight today is Manager of IT and Manufacturing, Niggel. Nick has been a loyal PAN employee since 2007. He oversees IT and manufacturing and works on numerous projects in addition to maintaining PAN's IT systems. His favorite part of his job is finding solutions to difficult problems. Nick lives in Westmoreland County with his wife of 10 years and their son. When Nick isn't working, he enjoys spending time with his family and volunteering at his church as part of their production team. He also enjoys playing cards and board games and riding bikes with his son. We appreciate all the hard work he does every day for PAN and our members. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped you learn a little bit about the great people behind PAN. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. See you next time for another Employee Spotlight.